right, what are you making for supper tonight? Can you say beef?
Beef.
Stroganoff?
Different move.
Can you say stroganoff? Say stroganoff.
Different enough.
Good job. All right, say see you in a bit for the next phase. We cut up some beef and we're cooking that, and say see you in a bit.
She bit.
All right, next we're gonna add some butter to the pan with some mushrooms, onions, and garlic. Can you say mushrooms,
Mushrooms.
onions,
Onions.
and garlic?
That.
And we're making beef stroganoff.
Easy to that.
Perfect. And then we're gonna stir it all up.
Do that.
All right, what are you adding here?
The recipe calls for flour, but I'm just doing arrowroot starch. Thicken it up.
You say arrowroot?
A root.
Perfect.
See.
How much are you adding to that?
About a tablespoon.
Okay. All right, what are you adding next?
Okay, so the recipe calls for beef broth, but I'm just going to do a little bit of bone broth. About a cup. I think I have a little less than that. And then I have a little bit of raw cream I'm going to add as well.
How much of that?
I don't know, a couple tablespoons probably.
Okay. All right, what are we adding next?
Okay, add a little bit of Worcestershire.
You say Worcestershire?
Where's I?
And then what
And Dijon mustard.
else? Can you say,
Mustard.
and then you
Tablespoon.
got, how much of each one did you add about?
About a tablespoon of Worcestershire, probably about a teaspoon of
Worcestershire.
Dijon.
Worcestershire. And then you got some zucchini cooking in butter over there.
Zucchini, pasta going.
Pasta going.
And then once this cooks a little more, I'm going to throw the beef back in
And
to here.
All
where's
right.
I?
Say see you in a bit.
She bit. She.
All right, then we're just gonna mix it all together. We got the steak and the mushrooms and onions all cooked together, and we're gonna put that on top of the pasta with a side of zucchini. So a quick, easy meal for tonight. What are you eating, Harper?
Pasta.
Pasta. Is it good? Good. Can you say beef stroganoff?
Beef. Beef. Dove.
Good job. Say see you later.
She did it.